All right, I'm checking out this Miracle-Gro indoor plant food spikes. It says for all plants and for low maintenance feeding for healthier plants. This contains 48 spikes, so each one of these things is called a spike. I would have called that thing the spike, but apparently that's just to make a hole for the spikes. So there's directions here on the back how to use it. You're going to use the Miracle Aerator. That's what I get. That spike there is, I suppose, to make a hole halfway between the stem and pot rim. Make spike. Place the spike in a hole and press down. Cover with soil. Water as usual. So depending on how big your pot is, you can use multiple of these things. It gives you that guide there in terms of how to do that. Here's the ingredients in them. So let's open this up and try it out. Here's this aerator. So let's throw it in here. Make a spot for the spike. And then here are the spikes themselves. It's kind of stuck together at first. Might have to break them apart. Here we go. Kind of the consistency of like a candy cigarette is kind of what it reminds me of. Don't eat these though. These are for plants to eat, not for humans. But it should go right in that spot where we hollowed it out with that other thing, and then you just cover it up. Then you water as usual. So that's kind of the process that you do this with. And this is a small pot, so it only needs one. But if you have a larger pot, you can use multiple of these. Actually, even this one is 3 to 4, so it says I would need 2. So I would just make another hole. And then put this one in there. Push it down, cover it up. So yeah, that's the process. Hope that helps you know if it's something that you would like to buy.